Hey friends, welcome back to Watavue Mountain. You guessed it. Nope, not at the mountain today. We actually have a extra special treat for you from Suburbia here today. It's not a Suburbia video. We found some footage. I'm going to call it the lost footage because it's from the initial clearing of our land. When Sean and I went up there with some old busted up hand tools, weed eater, and some other just hand tools to start clearing the property. So it's something that was on an old camera that I had forgotten about. Hasn't been included in any other videos. So we just decided we're going to go ahead and just do a time lapse of this, just so you can see what we did initially. And if you look at some of our other videos, you'll see where we first start out is where the camper is now parked. So we hope you enjoy. Again, absolutely, we're absolutely blessed to be able to do this, to have you along with us. This is, like I said, it's kind of neat for me, kind of nostalgic, because this is really, literally where it all started for us. So sit back, relax, get yourself something to drink. We hope you're having a blessed day. Let me stop running my mouth and let's get to busy. you go. That's it. Pretty straightforward. Like I said, it's something else to see, and it really kind of warms my heart to remember back to those days when we did all that work. Of course, the dogs went up with us. They were supervising, hanging out. At that time, we were obviously still in the tent. Like I said in the intro, that's where the camper is parked now. So we were tent camping and doing all that stuff. So think about that. And it's, Alabama, so it was hotter than Hades. So yeah, so thanks for coming. Thanks for checking us out. We really, truly are blessed, like I said, to have you along on this journey, to be able to take this journey, and to be able to share it with you. We get a lot of joy from all the comments, good and bad. We got a lot of bad comments off that concrete video, but that's okay. We expected that, and we welcome it. So thanks for being with us. Thanks for checking us out. And as always, if you like these videos, hit like, hit subscribe, hit the bell icon over there. Look up this way. We're going to post a new video up there. And till next time, be safe. Thanks for coming.